Life is like a dance. You rise, you fall, you spin, and you crawl. But like the dance, life is beautiful. Sometimes you are sharp and rough. Other days you are smooth and graceful. Life is a dance where the beginning is the hardest, but when you start to flow, you glow. Don't overanalyze it, just do it. Be who you are at the deepest core of your being. A very warm evening to each and every member of this August gathering. On behalf of Plubins Public School, we extend a hearty welcome to all the members of the management and our most loving children, parents, and grandparents as we celebrate this beautiful and mesmerizing Dandiya night. It is yet another humble effort from all of us to make sure that the festive spirit lives in our hearts and our homes, in spite of the dark we are all trying to conquer. We are elated to have with us our Honorable Director, Ma'am, Dr. Saroj Suman Gulati. Ma'am, we look up to you as a motherly figure for all the love and care that you bestow upon us. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion, ma'am. Ma'am, we request you to kindly address us on this occasion.
Good evening, Director Ma'am. We request you to kindly address us.
Good evening, ma'am. I think ma'am is on mute.
Okay. Now are you?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Yes,
evening.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, all the students, parents, grandparents, and teachers. I'm very happy to see that we are able to continue with the same calendar, what exactly we planned for physical presence, what we used to plan for last year with few more additions, and we are able to continue on the virtual stage also. It is all because of teachers' enthusiasm, students' participation, parents' support, and especially grandparent support. Dandiya is one of the very popular dance form belonging mainly to Gujarat and Rajasthan, but it is such a nice platform. It is such a nice type of dance that it attracts the other areas of India also. It's very enjoyable. Actually, the Shara, I must wish you all very happy Dashera. It is tomorrow. And today, very happy Navratras, gave in the last Navratra. And actually, we see that Navratras are celebrated as well as the Dashera is celebrated. It is connected with many things, not only religious. Of course, as per Hindu religion, as per Ramayana story, we find that this is victory of Rama over Ravana. But actually, it is victory of good. It is victory of goodness. On the bad elements of the world. Navratras are celebrated before that, and Nav as Navratra means 9 days. These, on different days, different Devis are worshipped. Their names, that is Nav Durga. It's not that Durga Puja is done, it is Nav Durga. And they are Shalputri, Brahmacharani, Chandraghata, Kushmanda, Skandmata, Katyani, Kalratri, Mahagauri, and Siddhiratri. Mainly we worship 3 Devis, Saraswati, Durga, and Lakshmi. They all represent one or the other way of the strength. Shakti. Durga is known as Shakti, all Devis are known as Shakti. They represent different type of Shakti because a man for the life needs not only physical strength, it needs mental strength, it needs emotional strength, we need financial strength and social strength. So all these strengths are represented in the different names, and on different names we worship these Devis. It is culturally also, it represents Navratras, Nari Shakti. Right from the beginning, if we look at the history of India, we see Nari Shakti was recognized long back. Even if we see, we have the history, we have the stories. And Nari Shakti, again, Nari Puja, Nari Shakti Puja, that is Durga and Navratras. It depicts the Indian culture. Let's come back, let's bring back the old culture of our India. I believe we will become supreme power in the world if we bring our old culture and we recognize our old culture again. With the Western culture, effect of Western culture, many of the religious, especially religious events, those were either they became very poor celebrations or they were totally omitted from the celebrations at all. But I believe that we have started once again, and now Durga gives a lot of strength. I believe that Durga Puja is one of that puja which gives all type of strengths to us, and we must adopt this culture back. It is related to the climatic conditions also. The Shara is mainly in the month of end of September or beginning of October, where the weather changes. Let's enjoy the weather change also. So this is not only related to our religion, this is related to our culture, this is related to our climatic conditions, weather conditions, and this is how we celebrate this with great joy and fun. Ras, Dandiya, that is one of the special for this particular occasion. Let's enjoy today. I have been told that even grandparents have given their consent to participate. I congratulate those grandparents right before they have presented. I believe that they will be very successful and it will be very enjoyable event for all of us when the grandparents along with the grandchildren, they have same Ras. Thank you very much. Please start.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am, for enriching our knowledge so much.
राहत के कुछ पल मैं तेरे चरणों में पाता हूँ, आकर तेरे द्वार पर सब गम भूल जाता हूँ। रहती ना कोई ख्वाहिश मेरी, ना मन में कोई इच्छा, आंसू की बस बहती धारा, निर्मल है ये मन मेरा। शब्दों का ना कोई जाल है, ना बोली की पहचान है, बिन कहे मेरे मन को जाना, ऐसा है मेरा भगवान, ऐसा है मेरा भगवान। दांडिया शब्द सुनते ही सबसे पहली बात जो मस्तिष्क में आती है, खूब सारी मस्ती और डांस। दांडिया नृत्य प्रतीक है आनंद, हास्य और परिहास का। नवरात्रि के 9 दिनों तक माँ दुर्गा को खुश करने का ये सबसे उपयुक्त माध्यम है। मनुष्य अपनी सभी बुराइयों को भूलकर केवल और केवल भक्ति के रस में रंग जाता है। लोग दांडिया या कहिए गरबा के रंग में सराबोर होकर केवल खुशियां और आनंद रूपी गुलाल को भी उड़ाते हैं।
गरबा मात्र संगीत, नृत्य व कलाओं का ही समावेश नहीं, अपितु प्यार, दुलार और भाईचारे का भी प्रतीक है। डांडिया को करते समय लोग लिंग, ऊंच नीच, जात पात और अन्य विविधताओं को मिटाकर एक साथ जुड़ जाते हैं। हजारों ऐब है मुझ में, ना कोई हुनर बेशक। हजारों ऐब है मुझ में, ना कोई हुनर बेशक, मेरी खामी को तुम खुशी में तब्दील कर देना। मेरी हस्ती है एक खारे समंदर सी मेरे दाता, मेरी हस्ती है एक खारे समंदर सी मेरे दाता, अपनी रहमतों से इसे मीठी झील कर देना, अपनी रहमतों से इसे मीठी झील कर देना।
सही कहा तारुषि, दांडिया नाम ही है प्यार और भाईचारे को फैलाने का। बच्चे, बूढ़े, नौजवान, कौन ऐसा है जो दांडिया करना नापसंद करता हो?
परी, हाथ कंगन को आरसी क्या और पढ़े लिखे को फारसी क्या। डांडिया की पहली ही प्रस्तुति से डांडिया को लेकर नौजवानों में कितना जोश होता है यह पता लग जाएगा। तो स्वागत है सौभाग्य और चैतन्य का उनकी मम्मी के साथ। आइए सब एक साथ झूमते हुए डांडिया की ताल से ताल मिलाते हैं। गाने के बोल हैं नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे।
नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय। ये धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय। रे खट खट बाज दस तक वो न अब तक आया। रे तब से हाँ देखी राहित अब तू खोल बाहें आजा। घुमड़ घूमे रे मचले रे मोरा मन गूंजे रे बालम के बोल। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय। ये धिन तड़ाक आजा उड़ के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय। नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय।
बहुत ही उत्साहपूर्ण व धमाकेदार प्रेजेंटेशन। जो मंजिलों को पाने की चाह रखते हैं वो समंदरों पर भी पत्थरों के पुल बना लेते हैं। पता है तारुषी, डांडिया में मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगता है सजे हुए पंडाल।
हाँ परी, लाइटें, स्टॉल, म्यूजिक सिस्टम और भी ना जाने क्या क्या मजेदार चीजें होती हैं जो डांडिया को खास से बहुत खास बनाती है। लेकिन इस बार तो सब पंडाल, स्टॉल और डेकोरेशन हमारे घर पर ही है।
ये तो बिल्कुल सही बात है तारुषी। बस सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि डांडिया परिवारों को एक दूसरे के करीब आने का एक अवसर प्रदान भी करता है।
सही में त्योहार ही तो होते हैं खुशियों को एक साथ मिलकर बांटने के लिए। उमंग, खुशी और मनोरंजन के साथ आप सबके सामने उपस्थित हैं अभिनव सर और उनका साथ देंगे टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स। गाने के बोल हैं चौगाड़ा तारा।
A very good evening, all of you. A very good evening, all of you. Dance Department of Lucas Public School welcomes you to the first ever online Dandiya Ras. So we are going to have a fun-filled evening with a lot of Dandiya steps. So I'm going to teach you few basic Dandiya steps today that you can use in this song as well in other songs at your home. So we'll start quickly with the first step. All right. Here are your Dandiya sticks. Yes. So we'll just shift 1, 2, 3, 4. Very basic, very easy. Everyone can do it. Once again, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in order to add the flavor, you will just use your head also. A little bit of your head movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So this was our first step. Moving on to the next step, that is the jump step. All right, you must have seen this a lot of times. So we are just going to jump, 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 and jump. So 4 times we are going to jump. Let's try it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So 2 steps we have learned. Let's do them from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Wonderful. The next step. Now you hit the dandiya sticks. You hit the dandiya sticks. Forward, back. Forward, back. Keep doing forward, back, forward, back. Very good. So we are going to do 4 jumps, 2, 3, 4, and hit, 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 hit. Once again, 4 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump and hit, and hit, and hit. Yes. So let's do it from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and jump, 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 and hit, hit, hit. Again, jump, 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 and hit, 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 hit. I will request everyone to put yourself on mute so you don't miss on any steps. Thank you. So let's do it with the song so you get the vibe. Alright? Let's do it. In the starting, just groove with the shoulders like 1, 2, until the song begins, okay? Let's see. Let's rock it, everyone. Join do it. I request everyone to put yourself on mute, okay? Once again, my most these steps are clear. All of you, show me a thumbs up. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right, wonderful. Let's move on. Let's move on. After that, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times just the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. After that, you shift. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just shift. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times the other side. Once again.
Sir, I can't see your video.
1, 2, 3, 4, and hit. Wonderful. After that, we go 1, 2, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are all the basic steps which I'm just teaching it for a while so that we are all comfortable with it. 1.
मन भूलो बदीवार तेरी वो समझे अब वो मेरे पास
It's all clear. Ritesh sir, make sure I'm in spotlight.
Sir, please spotlight yourself. I can't see your face.
Yes. I'm visible now. Let's do it once again and enjoy. Come on. Daniel, everyone, smile. Ready? 5, 6, 7,
गई रात मन भूलो बदीवार दुनिया मौसम थे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ दुनिया मौसम थे गई रात मन भूलो बदीवार दुनिया मौसम थे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ दुनिया मौसम थे
I know you are enjoying so much, but I'll take it easy. We have parents as well, so I'm going to explain just a little bit and then we will continue. Yeah, so after this step, we need and this. Now we are going to do another step which is a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you hit out, out, out. All the 4 sides. Out, 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 out. Alright? Very good. After that, repeat the same step. Repeat the same step. And we are done. Okay? Let's do it from the beginning. I won't stop now. I will continue. Come on, play now.
मन भूलो बदीवार दुनिया मौसम थे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ दुनिया मौसम थे मन भूलो बदीवार दुनिया मौसम थे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ दुनिया मौसम थे तारा रंगीला तारा
Very good, all of you will dance couple of times again on this song. I'll just explain the last step. What we are doing. So we are just moving 1, 2, 3, 4, turn and up. After that, the hook step is turn, hit, turn, hit, turn, hit. 3 times you have to turn and hit, and 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, turn, hit, turn, hit, turn, hit, and jump, 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 and finish. Let's do it all in a row, 2-3 times, and let's get the nice started. 1. Yes.
मन भुला दीवार दुनिया मौसम अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ दुनिया मौसम मन भुला दीवार दुनिया मौसम अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ दुनिया मौसम रंगीला तारा
A big round of applause for yourselves and everyone. Wonderful show. I can see the energy and the vibe you have created, all of you. Well done. Commendable. So this was our first song for the evening. We have more in store for you. All right. So over to Pari and Tarushi from here. And
बहुत ही खूबसूरत डांस।
इसी कड़ी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए, खुशी और उल्लास का आनंद उठाते हुए अब स्वागत है निष्ठा मक्कड़ का उनकी मम्मी के साथ। गाने के बोल है हे राम रे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम।
काल के पंजे से माता बचा
DJ
जय मां अष्ट भवानी काल के पंजे से माता बचाओ जय मां अष्ट भवानी जय भवानी मां
बना कर पिनअप कर रखा है
हमरे सबसे बड़ा तेरा नाम शेरों वाली ऊंचे ढेरों वाली बिगड़े बना दे
DJ Ajay
अद्भुत अविस्मरणीय शोभनीय नृत्य प्रस्तुति देखकर मन खुश हो गया।
हाँ परी, सच में ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे पैर अब थिरकने से बंद ही नहीं होने वाले।
पैरों का थिरकना रोकना ही क्यों है?
बिल्कुल सही। इसी माहौल को यूं ही बरकरार रखते हुए, मनोरंजन को उच्च शिखर तक पहुंचाते हुए अगली प्रस्तुति के लिए आमंत्रित है शिप्रा मैम, पूजा मैम और सभी उपस्थित अतिथि। तो आप सभी भी अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी खोल लीजिए और उनके साथ झूमने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। गाने के बोल है रंगीलो मारो ढोलना।
Good evening, everyone. So let's start Do It Ka Dhamal. So get ready with your dandiya sticks, your partner, and your sunglasses. Just follow my steps. Take out your goggles. Rotate your running stick. Place your running sticks on your waist and move your waist. Okay, let's try again with the music. Ready? Take your goggles again. With attitude and smile. Rotate your stick. Now place your hands on your waist and move your waist. And stop. Yay! Very good. I like this energy. So now, one more time. Can you do it one more time? Start again. Rotate your running stick.
ये सब लोग ये देखते करो हमारी जाएगी।
Very good. What a wonderful performance. You all are more Dandiya? Yes. With different Dandiya beats. So Abhinav sir, please play the mashup song now.
क्यों मैं करूँगा?
कि धूली तारों
तेरी क्लास को खत्म हो गया यार। ऐसे कर। इतनी देर में मैं बैठा हूँ बोर।
Hope you all enjoy this.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Wonderful. That was amazing. It was incredible performance by each one of you. I hope you all enjoyed. Can I see those smiling faces? Come on, come on.
Excuse me,
Come
sir.
near the camera and show me those smiles with your dandiya sticks. With your dandiya sticks.
Abhinav sir.
Picture.
Abhinav sir, we have Devanshi Sharma trying to speak to you. She wants to give a performance. If you
That
can
is
please
wonderful.
talk to her once.
Amazing.
Very good, Divyanshi.
Devanshi,
Devanshi.
can we put you on spotlight, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I will start the calls.
Okay, Ritesh sir, please put the child in the spotlight.
Let's have
Good,
a big
beta. All the best.
applause for Devanshi. Superb. That's the confidence of Bluebellians. Very good. Superb. All right, very good. Have a big round of applause for Devanshi and her partner. Superb, wonderful. I hope you all enjoyed it, right? So very quickly, we'll have one picture for all of us with the dandiya sticks in our hands. Come on, show it to the camera with a big smile. Yes. Superb. All right, thank you so much. It was amazing. We all performed very well. We enjoyed. I can see parents, I can see brothers, sisters. So that's what is our culture, right? So we all come together during this time as well. We don't miss our functions, our festivals, and this was amazing. Thank you so much, dance department. Well, wishes you a very, very happy Dussehra and Navratri. So over to you now, Pari and Tarushi.
Happy Dussehra, sir.
वो कहते हैं ना शानदार और बेहद जानदार.
सही कहा परी, एक से बढ़कर एक डांस की प्रस्तुति. Wow, what an incredible evening it was. I take this opportunity to invite Madam Arpita Acharya, Vice Principal, Bluebells Public School. Ma'am, kindly address us.
Good evening, everyone. My hearty greetings to all the members of the management, parents, grandparents, and students on this occasion of this beautiful extravaganza of festivals. We sincerely hope that each one of you have enjoyed this Dandiya celebration. Extend our warm wishes to you on this occasion. On behalf of the entire school, I wish you a very happy Navami, happy Durga Puja, and happy Dussehra. Hoping that everything returns back to normal soon and we see all of you physically in school. And I would like to congratulate the dance department for organizing such a wonderful show. And I would also like to thank all the grandparents, parents, students, and teachers for joining us all for this Dandiya. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words of encouragement. On behalf of Bluebells Public School, I take this opportunity to thank each and every member who took out time to be a part of the celebration. We thank Honorable Director Ma'am, Dr. Saroj Suman Gulati, for sparing her valuable time. We are also grateful to all the parents and students who danced to the rhythm of the Dandiya beats. And how can we forget our wonderful dance teachers, Shipra ma'am, Abhinav sir, and Pooja ma'am for making this evening so memorable for all of us. Thank you one and all.